Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect to a VPN on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to connect to a VPN, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install a third-party application for this. Just go for Play Store app and here look for VPN. Just search for it and then you'll get a list of VPNs. You just have to select one of the all. As you can see, I have already installed this one, so you just have to install this because it has 4.5 ratings and 100 millions plus downloads, so it will be best for your phone. You just have to install it and then tap on open. After installation you will have to open the VPN, and here you can easily connect to a VPN. Just wait for this loading, and here you can see the connection has been small. You just have to select globe icon to select the server, and if you want to select any server, you just have to tap on connect and then it will connect automatically. So that's how you can easily connect to a VPN on Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.